guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been forever since I did a makeup tutorial. Like, it's been ages, but let's get into it. This is a makeup tutorial and a wig review from Bobbie Boss. So to get started, I am going to restore my face with this it's water based. I got it from TJ Maxx and it was like $6.99. For my moisturizer, I'm going to use Derma whatever, the active moisturizer. And then I am going to go ahead with Smashbox oil primer. I don't use this as a primer, I just use it as an oil because it's winter and my face tends to get really dry and I still like a matte finish, so I make sure that I set my face before I put my matte primer on. And for my matte primer, I am using the Becca Cosmetics what is this one called? I think it's Ever Matte or something like that. Yeah. So I'm gonna lightly apply that all over my face, very gently, because I don't want to move my base, my moisturizer, and all that. So you want to make sure that everything you're applying to your face, you're applying it very, very lightly. I'm gonna go ahead and take my concealer. I believe this is in the shade Chestnut, and I'm gonna go ahead and clean up my brows before I actually fill them in. I find this to be easier for me now, and also I don't end up wasting a lot of pomade, because we all know these Anastasia pomades are not cheap. So then I'm gonna go ahead with a foundation brush and just blend that out, just kind of buff it out, blend it out type of thing. And I'm gonna go ahead and set it with my Sasha Buttercup. I got this to use as a setting powder, but I found that it left me looking ashy, so I just used it to set. Then I'm going to use my Morphe palette. I forgot which one that is. And I'm going to blend it out. I do show you guys the colors I'm using, so that will also help. I'm going to use this as my, I guess, like, transitioning colors. And I'm going to go with my Naked 2 and use that black in my outer crease. Let me tell you, that black is everything. It has, if you guys can tell, it's my favorite black ever. Like, that's my favorite color out of the whole palette. Then I'm going to use the purple. I wanted to, do like a purple kind of blackish blue thing, whatever going on, but the purple didn't really pop. I don't know why, but I'm going to figure it out and probably work on it so I get it the way I want it to. Then I'm going to use my NYX eyeshadow base and kind of like, I guess, cut my crease because I wanted the blue to really, really pop. So I went ahead and you can use a concealer, you can use whatever you want, but I find that the black makes it pop better for me. I'm going to use my Juvia's palette and use that blue in there, and that's going to be my lid color. It's a very beautiful blue. I love Juvia's place. I heard that they're at Ulta now, which is like plus, but then it can be scary because I'm always going to be there. So I'm going to use the purple and then go ahead and just blend everything out. Then I'm going to go in with my transition color and blend out the ends, make sure everything looks nice and blended. Then I'm going to go ahead with this Mary Kay liner that I got. I really needed a liner and there was a girl at my church selling it, so I bought it. I honestly don't like it, so I went back in with my Suba's palette. Suba's beauty eyeliner thing. Then for my foundation, y'all know I love some Lancome. I'm going to use that and apply it all over my face. You want to make sure you're not dragging your foundation, but you're acting like if you drag it, then you're moving around all your base, and you don't want that. So for my concealer, I am using Tarte's concealer, and this is the Sharp Tape concealer, and this is in the shade Deep. I'm going to go ahead and use that foundation brush that I use for my brows and blend that all in, make sure that it's blended and buffed in perfectly. I find that the brushes work better for me now, better than the sponges. Then I'm gonna go ahead with my CoverGirl setting powder, and I am going to set my concealer, not bake, but set all the areas that I applied my concealer. Then this is my Becca, where are you? like a contour palette, and I forgot the name. I'll leave that in the description box below, and I'm going to use that to contour my nose and my cheekbones. I really didn't need to contour my cheek right there because I already have, like, I have a natural contour. So I'm going to go ahead with my CoverGirl powder again and kind of like define my contours. Then I'm going to go in with my Lancome finishing powder and apply that all over my face and my neck and everywhere, just to bring everything together. This has become like one of my favorite powders. Then I'm gonna set that, well, not set it, but you know, bring some life back into my face. And then for brush, I am using this Lorac brush. Then I am going to go in with this poppin' highlighter. This ABH palette has forever been my favorite. Like, I think it will forever be my favorite till I run out. I'm gonna apply some mascara, and I think we're gonna move on. Oh yeah, and then I went ahead and applied the black to my underline, under eye, and then I went in with the purple and blended that black in to make it look nice. Then I applied some mascara to my lower lash. I forgot who sent me these lashes. When they sent it, they didn't have any name or anything on it. So, and this was sent to me like last year, and I'm now using it. So I have no idea who these lashes came from, but they are absolutely beautiful. I don't know who, honestly have no idea who these lashes came from. I wish they would have applied, you know, something. Let me. Look at the highlight, girl. Come on. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some more mascara, and then we are going to move on to the hair. We're going to move on to the hair. Let me tell y'all, this was like so hard because my hair was so nappy trying to do these big ass cornrows, excuse my language, in my hair, but thank God we got it done. I'm so happy to like have my natural hair back. You guys have no idea. I relaxed it last year and regretted it because I missed my pup. So this is like a year, or if not, maybe a year and a month or something like that, growth of his natural hair, and it's beautiful and I love it, and I can't wait to have my length back. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cornrow my hair back. The cornrows could have been smaller, but I was in a hurry. Like, I gotta go. I had to go to church. I gotta go. So after the cornrows are done, I'm gonna go ahead and apply a wig cap. I wanted to try this color. I noticed that everyone has been like bragging about it, so I actually do like it, but I feel like I didn't place it on the right way. This wig, my God. It's a wig that I got from Bobbie Boss. I was nervous because I'm like, blue hair, girl. Ooh, why? What? But after trying it on, it really did look nice on me. You know, I always add concealer to kind of like define my part, make sure that it's looking nice. I could have fixed it better, but like I said, your girl was in a rush. I had to go. So my next tutorial, I will make sure that I put it on. Look at that blue, honey. Yes, come on. I loved it. It was so cute. I was scared because I don't really do color, and this wig honestly is everything, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply some lip gloss, some nude lip gloss on, and then that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next tutorial.